Presenting the 2009 Chevrolet Corvette.
Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. A low odometer reading makes this vehicle a great value at this price.
With a powerful 8-cylinder engine connected to a manual transmission that'll keep you in touch with your vehicle.
Owner Care puts no worries on a whole new level, featuring the new exclusive 2-year, 30,000-mile standard CPO maintenance plan, a 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 5-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty on this certified pre-owned vehicle.
Premium wheels lend a distinctive appearance. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. The anti-lock braking system will help deliver you safely to your destination. Heated seats comfort you on cold winter days. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.